Mastering English. The meaning of power play. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve into an intriguing phrase that you might have heard in different contexts: power play. We'll explore its meanings, origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. So, let's power through and unlock the potential of this fascinating expression. The term power play originates from the world of sports, particularly ice hockey, to describe a situation where one team has a numerical advantage due to a penalty against the opposing team. However, its use has transcended beyond the rink. In general English, a power play refers to a strategic move by a person or group to gain advantage or to assert dominance in a situation. It's about wielding power or influence to outmaneuver others, often in politics or business. Think of it as a chess move but in real-life situations. To truly grasp the usage of power play, it helps to see it in action. Let's look at some examples. In the boardroom, launching a surprise merger can be seen as a power play by a company's CEO to consolidate control. During the debate, the senator's call for a vote was a power play to force the opposition's hand. The character in the movie made a power play to overthrow the leader and take charge. Notice how the phrase encapsulates actions intended to change the dynamics in favor of the person or group executing it. While power play is a clear and evocative term, the English language is rich with synonyms and variations. Here are a few: maneuvering, strategic move, machination, tactics for dominance. Understanding these synonyms will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you recognize power play situations described in different words. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase power play. Whether you're watching a sports match, participating in a discussion, or observing political strategies, you now have the insight to recognize and describe power plays with confidence. Remember, language learning is a journey, and with each new phrase like this, you're gaining fluency and understanding. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!